Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're asked which ordered pair xy is a solution to the given system of equations. So we have this system of equations right here, and we can notice that our first equation, x plus 7 equals 10, only has one variable. So what we can do is just solve for x without even worrying about the second equation. Subtract 7 from both sides to get x on its own. These cancel and we're just left with x is equal to 10 minus 7 or 3. Looking at our options, 3 is the x value for all of these, so that doesn't exactly narrow it down. But now we can find the value of y from our x value. So using the second equation, x plus 7 squared equals y. If we plug in our known value of x into this equation, we get 3 plus 7 squared equals y, and now we can solve for y. 3 plus 7 is 10, so we have 10 squared equals y, and 10 squared is 100, so therefore our x value is 3, our y value is 100, and therefore the point xy is 3, 100. This lines up with A, which is going to be your final answer.